rational function is defined by f of x is equals to a plus b over x minus c, where a, b, c is the integers. The diagram represents the function f of x. Using this information, state the value of a and c. So now, whenever I have any rational function in this form, this a represents your vertical asymptote, horizontal asymptote. My horizontal asymptote would be always so A has something to do with the horizontal asymptote whenever we have any function is in this format. So it's going to be y equals to A would be my equation of horizontal asymptote. And from the graph, so I can see this dashed line, the dashed horizontal line passing through 1. So that's what is the horizontal asymptote. So which means y equals to 1 is the horizontal asymptote. That is the reason the value of A is 1. And the C has something to do with the vertical asymptote. So if any rational function is given in this format, if you equate the denominator to 0, so that is going to give us the equation of horizontal asymptote. In this case, x equals to c will be my equation of horizontal asymptote. And from the graph, I can see this, there is a vertical dashed line which is passing through 3. So that means x equals to 3 is the horizontal asymptote. So that's why the value of c is 3. Next, in order to get the value of b, so what we have to do is let us substitute these information including this 1, 0 point. So this 1, 0 means when x is 0, the value of f of x is, sorry, it's the other way around. When x is 1, the value of f of x is 0. So if I substitute all these information here, so that's going to be 0 is equals to, and the value of a is 1 plus, and the value of b is unknown, which we need to find out, divided by x. X is nothing but 1. So 1 minus 3. And we need to solve. We can get the value of b from here. So 1 goes to the other side. So it's going to be minus 1 is equals to b over minus 2. So that is the reason the value of b is 2. And this is the right answer for this.